Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Satken Education Services. Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? Hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm your English teacher. Today our topic is writing of in sound. Open English workbook. Open page number 57. Here you have to write date and here date. We have to write and color. Write and color. This is net. This is net. Yesterday we did the n sound. Net. 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 Now start writing with me. Put the pencil here. Come down and down. Go up again. Turn a little. Is bumpy. Now put your pencil here. Come down and down. Go up again. Turn a little. Is bumpy. You have to do very neat work like this. Now again put the pencil on the arrow like this. Come down and down straight. Then again go up. You have to turn a little from here. Is bumpy. Now again put the pencil over here. Come down and down straight like this. Then again go up. Turn a little from here. Is bumpy. Now again put the pencil here. Come down and down straight. Go up. Turn a little. Is bumpy. Put the pencil here. Come down and down. Then again go up. Turn a little. Is bumpy. Put the pencil here. Come down and down straight. Then again go up. Turn a little from here. Is bumpy. Put the pencil here. Come down and down. Go up. Turn a little. Is bumpy. Now the last one. Put the pencil here. Come down and down. Then go up. Turn a little from here. Is bumpy. We will review again. Sound nail. 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 Nest. 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 Net. 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 Now we will color this picture. This is net. Do you know what it is used for? It is used to catch the fishes. It is used to catch the fishes. This is net. So we have to color it. So you can color this part and you can color this part. For this part you can use different color, and for this part you can use different color. So here I am using brown. This is brown color. Okay. Now see how I am coloring. You have to color up and down, right and left. So here I am doing right and left. Left to right, right to left. You have to be very careful while coloring. It should not out from these lines. Color right and left. You have to color properly. Like this. Now I have finished the coloring of this part. See, it is now done. To color this part, so I am using yellow color for this. First of all, I will do the coloring over here, up and down, like this, up and down, and little bit I have done right to left and left to right. Now this part we are going to color again, up and down, and this part up and down. Now here I am doing right to left, left to right, like this. Then again up and down. Then right to left and left to right. Now this page has done. We have colored the picture net and we have written the sound Repeat after me again. Net. 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 Okay. Now open your copy of English. Open page number 49. Here you have to trace. First of all, mention the date over here. Write homework. It's your HW work. So here you have to write homework. And here you have to write, here you have to trace with the dots. Dots has been given for you. So you have to write by following the dots. First of all, put your pencil on the first dot like this. Come down between two lines. Then again go up and turn a little. Is bumpy. Again, put the pencil on the dot. Come down and down between middle two lines. Then again go up. Turn a little. is bumpy. You have to follow the dots very properly and consciously. Put the pencil on the dot. Come down and down between two lines. Then again go up. Turn a little. Is bumpy. First of all, put the pencil on this dot. Come down and down between two lines. Go up. Turn a little. Is bumpy. You have to finish this page by yourself. Hope you are going to do very neat and nice work. Okay students, I have shared classwork and homework with you. Hope you are going to do very neat and nice work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.